Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I will share 5 English names of fruits. So let's see. Number 1, mango. Mango. Mango means Mango means Number 2, guava. Guava. Guava means peara. Guava means peara. Number 3, banana. Banana. Banana means cola. Banana means cola. Number 4, apple. Apple. Apple means apple. Apple means apple. Number 5, orange. Orange. Orange means komla. Orange means komla. Okay, viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. In the next video I will share more 5 English names of fruits. Till then, stay well and stay with me. Bye.